Okay, so we're gonna try to get this massive hair dryer together. Tons of accessories with it, which is nice. I don't even know what this means, this one. Maybe it's for traveling with it or something. I don't know. A filter, basket filter, foam liner insert. So I guess it goes in this thing. This is a lot. But I really wanted this dryer, so first of all, I really would like to test this out to see if this can dry my braids. Because that would be a game changer, if you ask me. Let's get the ends. What is this? Is this a microfiber? Oh, you know, I have a few of these, but these are the best. This is for like, when you're done washing your hair, you throw this, let me demonstrate. Oh God, I'm about to look. How does this work again? Oh, so there's a button here and you put it in the back, and let's say your hair is in the front. You gather the hair, twist, right? And then there should be a little, here it is, a little elastic thingy, and you go back and then you secure it to the button. And all your hair stays in here. I love these because sometimes I don't want to immediately blow dry my hair. I want to give it a little time. All right. Okay, so should I read the instructions? Read these instructions, I mean, just put it together. Where does the hair, oh, the hair goes through here, I believe. So this probably goes right here. I need to read the instructions because it looks like it's a good fit. Boom. So like this is, so when you put the hair in, it goes, and then you take it out. Okay, so that's the, now what's this? This is, I guess, the engine. The little engine that could. Where are we gonna plug? Let's see. Okay, this is, I mean, how are we supposed to travel with this? I can't travel with this big thing. So weigh down your luggage, pay an extra $50, $75 on the checked luggage. This is nice though. Okay, so this is the main. So I assume this basket filter. So when do I put that on? Read the instructions. Wand rest. Oh, this is a rest. That thing I showed you that I already lost. It rests the hose. Here we go. This is the filter and it goes in there. Okay. This, I guess it goes in here. Oh, there's a little, okay, perfect fit. There. Put that in here. So I'm just gonna do a little test run now. My hair is not even wet. But I'm gonna do a test run on my braids because for me, that's safer. Now, from what I understand, there are levels. So, what does that mean? Let's see. Ugh. Is this on? It's on because it's flat. So these are the levels, minus and plus. So it's level 2. See how the back is? Okay, it goes to 7. But I'm gonna go back down to 3. Yeah. All right, ready? Easy. Let me crank it up. 4, 5. My hair is not wet. I'm just. Ooh. Oh, see, it's only coming up to here. It's not going further. I wonder if I bend it. Like if I go like this, what happens? Not bad. I'm about to wash my braids. Oh, see, it went all the way in with less hair, so you can't put too much in there, right? So let's take just like a couple. Let's see, 3 or 4. Here we go. There you go. Oh, this is great. All right, so here it is. When I do wash my hair, my braids, I'm gonna start with braids because I think it's really interesting that this can also dry the braids. Because don't you know, especially in the winter, like, who wants to wait for this to dry? Look how long they are. I don't want to wait for it. So this is nice. Okay. And again, they gave us the water bottle, which we love. I have one of these already, but I mean, 2 won't hurt. These, when you spray this bottle, it's like a mist. It's not so harsh, if that even makes sense. Clips. I break these all the time, so this is nice. And then let me just, what is this? My favorite part is that microfiber towel for the hair. I don't know why we have this bucket, basket mesh thing, but something goes in it. Maybe the extra filters. Maybe an extra filter. It's nice that they gave the extra filter. But this whole basket here fits everything. So, all right, stay tuned, y'all. Listen, I do have a code. I think my code is Shanika10. So you get 10% off of your purchase. But hold up. Let me just make sure. That code should get you 10% off, but I think you have to use my link as well. I don't know if you just go on the website. Let me figure that out. Try it. I don't know, but no, use my link so they know that I sent you. Poppin'. Revair, poppin'.